Hello again. I'm not going to hang around too long today because it is absolutely bloody freezing. But what we're going to do is first in a series of reveal shots. Now, a reveal shot is something you'll use at the beginning of your video to add a little bit of mystery to the subject that you're going to be filming for the viewers, and then give a big reveal of where you are. And this one, I'm actually going to be using myself as the target. So we're going to be using a auto mode again, and I believe it's called Boomerang. And I'm going to set up a shot where I'm looking at this landscape, which is quite impressive, I suppose. But I'm going to hide it from the viewers until the last moment. So what you will see is me standing and looking at the view, and then the drone will go behind and it will reveal the view in all its glory. Sorry, mouth's getting cold, can't talk properly. So to set this one up, first of all we've got to take off, because you can't set this up when the drone is still on the ground. So we'll take off. There's no one about. I'm using the Mini 5 for this. And what I'm going to do is position the drone directly behind me. I'm going to make sure that there's plenty of room around you for this shot. I'll put it directly behind me. And now I'm going to go into quick shots, and then on the right here you'll see several different options, and we are going to go for Boomerang. We need to tap or draw around the subject, so that's me. I want it to go, do I want it to go that way around? Yeah, because the sun's over there, so I want it to go that way. And I'm going to start that one.
2, 1.
And you can strike a hero pose if you want to. Obviously I'm going to have my camera and everything in it, but that has just gone right round me and has finished behind. So now from here, now that's finished, I'm going to keep the drone where it is. I'm going to go back into normal mode, back into video, and I am going to record from there, and I am just going to go straight up. Stop recording, and that's it really. So what I've done is a boomerang, and what will be happening is we'll only use the second half of that shot, because I want to start it from where the drone's out there looking at me to coming round behind me and revealing what I'm looking at. So we'll do a couple of edits on that. I'm going to show you the normal edit of what it's just filmed. I will then do a speed ramp just to give it a little bit more dynamic, and then I will do the speed ramp with that final shot on the end, which shows all of the view I'm looking at in entirety basically. So I hope you enjoyed that. It'll give you some ideas of what you can do for the beginning of your videos to reveal the subject that you're filming. And I'm going home now for a nice warm cup of coffee. So I'll see you next time. Thank you very much.